Welcome to episode 5. By now, you know the location of every letter on the keyboard. Today, we focus on 3 essentials: mastering capital letters, increasing your speed, and most importantly, maintaining perfect accuracy. Let's start with the shift keys. To type a capital letter, you use the shift key. There are 2 shift keys on your keyboard. The rule is simple. Use the hand that is not typing the letter to hold the shift key. If you are typing a letter with your right hand, hold the left shift with your left pinky. If you are typing with your left hand, hold the right shift with your right pinky. Let's practice. To type a capital A, hold the right shift with your right pinky and tap the letter A with your left pinky. Try it now. Capital A. Now for a capital L, hold the left shift with your left pinky and tap the letter L with your right ring finger. Capital L. Now let's type our first word with a capital letter. Remember, accuracy is more important than speed. Slow down to stay accurate, and speed will follow naturally. Hold left shift and tap letter T. Next H. Now E. Press space. The word is the. Excellent. Always return your fingers to the home row after every strike. This anchor allows you to type without looking at the keys. Keep your eyes on the screen, not your hands. Great job today. Practice these drills daily to build your muscle memory. In the next episode, we will start time tests to measure your progress. Keep typing, and I'll see you in episode 6.